theme song. You like it?
I love it.
Me love it. Me wrote it.
Why don't you tell us that you what you did this week? Because I know you had your first out of the house adventure.
Well, Puppet seen a lot of things in his short time in this big old ball of dirt, but nothing like what happened yesterday. You were there. My first time riding in a car.
Mm-hmm.
We were traveling at high velocity, pedal to the metal, over 35 miles an hour. Puppet has developed a need for speed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It was quite an adventure. What else did you discover while you were in the car?
Well, while my hands were dug into the dashboard, me liked the stops at red lights where, me talking to other drivers.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Right. They were very responsive to you.
Yeah. They were waving and laughing. Not sure what was so funny, though, like they'd never seen a puppet in a car before.
I'm pretty sure they haven't seen an orange puppet in a car before, waving and giggling.
Maybe. Just another day in the life of Puppet.
Well, not for most people. So, with that, we're still in the heart of summer. And it's been unseasonably hot across the country.
Very humid.
Yep.
Ruining my hair.
So, we are going to prepare another summer salad today because we're getting a lot of requests for that.
Okay.
This one is Asian inspired.
Okay.
And it's made with blanched asparagus, blanched edamame beans, and lemon, sesame oil, roasted sesame seeds, feta, olive oil, the usual. So
my aunt named Blanche. She uses oil too. Very oily hair. Keep going.
Yeah, well, are you ready to start the salad?
Keep going.
Okay. All right. So, much like we did in a previous show, I just wanted to show it's blanched asparagus. Remember, we peeled it and took all those...
the little reptile scales we took off. Yeah.
We took all those reptile scales off.
Yep.
So you get a nice little cut stalk.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Very
Nice.
French.
Yep.
So,
French.
in the bowl, and you know how I like this salad, instead of going all around, you pile it in the middle. So, let's put... Now, we've also had requests from some of our viewers to get... a final beauty shot, so we'll see if we can do that. So asparagus on top.
Every shot Puppet in is a beauty shot. Keep going. Yeah. Keep going.
Next is our blanched edamame beans, and do you know what those are?
Oh yes, they're like magic beans, like Jack and the Beanstalk. If we plant them in the ground, do we get to go up to a castle in the sky?
We do in your imagination, but not for real. They are actually shelled soybeans.
Very disappointing soybeans.
Well,
Castle.
Often found in Asian sushi restaurants. Sushi, it's hard for me to say sometimes.
That's right.
So, on top of the asparagus, as many as you like. I usually do 1-to-1 ratio.
Okay.
And then I like to put in the feta. This is 4 ounces, but you can put it into your flavor, whatever you like.
Be very familiar with this. We use this quite a bit.
We do, don't we?
Yeah,
It's one of our favorites.
It's a winner.
Put it in there. Try to break it up, but be generous, but not. It goes a long way.
Yep.
You don't want it too salty crazy.
Be generous.
Then you've got your toasted sesame seeds.
Sprinkle
them in.
You have to scrape off a lot of hamburger buns to get all those.
Well, you can also buy them in a jar already toasted, my dear.
Okay.
So we do that. Then we're going to dress it with some olive oil, like we like to do.
Very
delicious.
Nice. Yeah.
Some I
I
like to put a little red wine vinegar in because it gives us that little citrus taste.
Acidity.
Then we're going to use the zest of a lemon. Put it in there like that.
Lemon it up.
And do it to your liking. Some people like lemon, some people don't. You can put it to whatever you like.
Little zing.
You can also cut it and put the juice in, but I just kind of like the zest.
Yeah, they like it.
And then we are going to go, now this is sesame oil, toasted sesame oil, and a little goes a long way.
Okay.
So don't get bonkers with this.
We like this stuff. It make everything taste like Asian food restaurant.
It does.
I was going to say something smart, didn't you?
No.
We
I
like
trust
it.
you,
It's
Puppet.
good. It's a winner.
Little drop here and there, and
drops.
that's all you're
Little
going
drops.
to need.
Yeah.
Okay?
Just little drops.
Now this one,
Keep
we're
going.
going to actually toss. We're going to actually
Oh,
show.
yeah.
You actually look at. We're going to try to get a close up of what that
Do
looks like.
close up when we're done.
Okay. All right.
You want to save it?
Yeah,
Keep
let's
going.
save it actually. We'll get a close up of it
You
when
can
it's
toss
done.
it when you're
We'll toss it when we're done.
Yeah.
But this is actually what it looks like. And again, it's super simple.
Yeah.
It's blanched asparagus,
Yep.
blanched edamame beans, sesame oil,
Yep.
feta,
Yep.
lemon,
Yep.
Toasted
Whoa.
toasted
going.
sesame seeds,
Yeah.
and you're done. I mean, you're not in the kitchen, it's not hot. A little crisp white wine and a loaf of bread. I'm
Okay.
telling you, out in the patio, you're done for summer, puppy.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you like it?
That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So let's thank everybody for
And
tuning in
then
again.
and then we'll cut to one more close up shot at the end here. But yeah, that's
We'll
pretty
give a
much
little
it.
beauty shot at the end.
But yeah.
Actually, you might be able to see it from here.
Hold it up.
But we'll see.
Hold it up toward the camera.
We'll see.
Lift it.
Can you
Lift
see?
it. Can you see it?
Ooh,
You like it?
We're zooming in, but we're zooming
good.
in old school. No zoom
Oh yeah.
lens.
Oh yeah.
We're zooming
that
in.
might be good enough.
Ooh,
We'll see. We'll
we're
check it.
zooming in.
See if we need another
Okay.
shot.
So let's thank everybody like we do.
Thank you. Thank
It's
you.
summer. We got
Yes.
big adventures. And
Hello, other drivers. Hello, people out there in cars.
I'm sure
Maybe you'll see Puppet.
maybe you
not.
will see Puppet.
Probably. Maybe.
If you see Puppet, let us know on our YouTube page, our TikTok page, and pretty soon our website.
Yeah, pretty huge. Hit subscribe. You know all that stuff.
Yep.
You know the drill.
All right, let's say goodbye and not take up any more time.
Eat salad. Eat salad. Yeah, okay.
Puppet.
All right.
Thank
ready?
you.
All right.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you next time.